Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you a cool automation that I built using ClickUp, Planday, and n8n. Planday is simply an employee scheduling and shift management system, or you can call it a workforce planning and time management tool. What it does, here in Planday, you can have your employees and you can create shifts. For example, here you can see Natalie Johnson has 5 different shifts from December 1st to December 5th. If I click one of those shifts, you can see the total time, who it's assigned to, then you have the position and shift type. Also, you can add different shift types here. You can also set all of these things you see on your screen. You can have communication, breaks, and wages. You can set the wages here. In that way, you'll be able to get the estimated cost or forecasted cost for that particular week. If you have a similar tool like this, you can also do the automation if they have their own API. Now let me just go to the n8n automation. This is the workflow, and yeah, it's a bit long, it's a bit messy, but I'll explain what it is. It starts with a scheduler trigger. Right now, I'll use manual trigger, but it will start with a scheduled trigger. It will be triggered at the start of the week and also at each day. At the start of the week, you can get all the shifts, and each day you will get the updated data like how many hours they worked. From here, you can see there are 5 different endpoints. This is because in Planday's API, you cannot get all the information with a single endpoint or call. You have to get it from several endpoints. For example, what we need the employee name, the week start, weekend, the shift, their position. You cannot get it from a single endpoint, so we use multiple ones. Home is basically the department in Planday. You can get the home, and you can get your total shift time, total worked hours, estimated cost, and actual cost. To get all of this information, that's why we need different endpoints. From these endpoints, we get different information, and then we have to filter it and merge it. You can see there's too much here, there's one merge here, and there's one more merge here, because you need to merge that information into one single structure or array where you can get all the necessary information that you need. Then you get tasks. You'll get all the tasks from that particular list if they already exist. At the start of the week, there will be none. I've created different views. For example, for this week, you'll get the data of that particular week. In this view, you'll get the data of all the month. In this view, you'll get the data of all the months and years, everything. Each week, it will see what tasks exist, and if it finds any duplicated task, here you can see it's filtering using parent ID. You're storing the parent ID in ClickUp. This is basically a key that we use to prevent any sort of duplicate data. It will check by the parent ID. If those tasks don't exist, that means those are new shifts. In the IF node, it will check if they're true or false. If they're true, that means they do exist, and it will just update that data, their total scheduled hours, total actual hours, estimated cost, actual cost, and all this stuff. If those IDs are not true, that means there are new IDs, and it will just create the task. It will also get the house name and create the subtask. The subtask is needed because this particular task is the data of the whole week. If you toggle this, then you can see these are the individual data of each individual day. This is the day shift. You can see the shift type. If I click more, you can see different types of shift types here, like holiday, paid, ELS, day shift, something like that. In that way, you'll get all the data, daily data plus your weekly data, so you can see total shift time, how many hours they worked, their estimated cost, actual cost, all this data. It'll be flowing and it'll create tasks, subtasks, and populate those custom fields. In this way, you don't have to log into Planday each day or each week to see how many hours they worked. Also, you can get all the data from different departments into a single list. In Planday, you have to switch between departments and switch between weeks to see the data. You can easily see all the data here in ClickUp in a single list. Then you can filter it and you can create different views like view by house. You can also create different views like this month, this week, all time. You have more customization options when you get all the data in ClickUp. This is a cool way to get all the data from Planday. If you have similar software and they support that kind of API or integration, you can get that data as well. If you want a similar system like this or similar automation, visit our website and send us a message. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this on your feed. Thank you.